Welcome back to another class of how to become system administrator. Guys, I'm Manjeet Raut, your online instructor. In previous class of this playlist, we talked about how we can transfer FSMO roles with the help of command line interface, because you know that we have a two different method to transfer our FSMO roles from one domain controller to another domain controller. So we completed the part and we completed the steps that help us to transfer our FSMO roles, but with the help of command line interface. You are working as a system administrator or as an advanced system administrator, so you should know about the all method that will help you to transfer our FSMO roles from one machine to another machine. So in this class, I'm going to guide you the steps how we can transfer FSMO roles with the help of GUI, and we'll also discuss about the work of cease. Cease is the type of command that will help you to recover or restore our FSMO role. Let me move ourselves to the screen and guide you about the steps how we can transfer the role. But before that, if you are new on my YouTube channel, if you're watching my video first time, please do subscribe. I hope you guys are able to see my screen. Agenda of this class, we already discussed. We are trying to transfer FSMO roles. This is my domain controller that I established in server 2019 or 2022, I think, with name of class.com or maybe with the name of cloud.com. Yes, the domain controller that I established with name of cloud.com. This is parent domain controller. One more machine we established with name of adc.cloud.com, means this is our additional domain controller, and both machines are connected to each other, or you can say that we already replicated all the features replicated all the features from our parent domain controller to the additional domain controller. And now we are trying to understand about the work of FSMO role. As per the name suggests, 5 different roles are available, as we discussed before. These roles are like as a schema master and domain naming master. These two roles considered as a forest wide domain naming master, and we are able to find PDC emulator. Apart from PDC emulator, RID pool manager, and the last one is infrastructure master, right? So 5 different roles are available in our root domain controller. Our responsibility, we need to divide some workload. Our responsibility to transfer these roles from one machine to another machine by using method of CLI and by using the method of GUI. This is our infrastructure. Let me open our root domain controller, cloud.com. Let me log in with the help of local administrator. And second, this is additional domain controller, should be member of our root domain controller, which is also connected with the same cloud.com. Cool. We successfully log in, and let me identify the number of users that I created in our root domain controller. Same users must be available in our additional domain controller. So what you need to do, just need to click on tools, go to the Active Directory and users. It will give you the list of number of users that we created: Telnet, GCP and Azure. Same user will find on our additional domain controller as well. Same user will get on another machine like additional domain controller. Open tools, go to the system, Active Directory, user and computers. Then users, we are able to find Azure, GCP and Telnet. All the users are available in second computer as well. Let's talk about the transferring FSMO roles. So very simple steps required. Let me open our root domain controller, and to check the location of FSMO roles, you need to open CMD and execute command netdum space query space FSMO. Okay, netdum query space FSMO. Query space FSMO, and we are able to find all the roles are available on same domain controller, same root domain controller. I'm going to transfer few roles, not with the help of CLI command, because we already completed the link about how to transfer FSMO roles available. You just need to click on I button and you will find the link for how to transfer FSMO role using CLI. This time, let me help you to understand about how to transfer FSMO role with the help of GUI. So you know that the roles are categorized in two different parts. One is forest wide and another is domain wide. In the forest wide, 3 roles are available, and domain wide 2 roles are available. So let me open server manager dashboard, and in server manager dashboard we just need to open tools. Under the tools, need to click on Active Directory user and computers, right? In the Active Directory user and computer, we just need to open properties of domain controller, go to the properties. You just need to click on operation master. So once we click on the operation master, we are able to find 3 different roles are available: RID pool manager, PDC emulator, and infrastructure. This is your operation master location. And do you want to transfer? So unfortunately, same name, we are able to find same name. So to change and put the name of our additional domain controller, what you need to do, back to our domain controller name, go to the option of change and click browse, and it will give you the information about another domain controller that I added with the same computer. Right click, change domain controller, ADC1. This is the name of second computer, and click OK. Make sure both the machine must be communicating to each other. Make sure both systems are available in the same network. Then we are able to do that, and both machines must be pinged to each other. CMD IP config. Let me identify 192.168.1.200. 192.168.1.200. Let me put it on bridge connection. Second machine should be on same page. Okay, bridge connection replicated. Fine. So let me communicate. Let me check communication first. Ping space 192.168.1.100 because the IP address of our root domain controller is 1.100. So let me select and try to click OK again. We successfully changed. Now you need to click again, go to the operation master and see. We are able to find, do you want to transfer RID pool manager or PDC emulator to the second domain? Yes, I want. Click next and yes. Your domain, your role successfully moved to the additional domain controller. RID, do you want to transfer? Yes, again. Click OK. We successfully transfer PDC emulator and RID pool manager. PDC and infrastructure we successfully transferred. Let me check if we are able to do that. Okay, no problem. 2 roles we successfully transferred to the additional domain controller. And you need to know about the location where we can find the other roles. So for another role, you just need to open tools, go to the sites and services. You need to open the page of sites and services, right click on domain controller, go to the domain and trust, not site and services. Open server manager dashboard, domain and trust. Right click on our domain and trust, go to the operation master and see operation master, domain naming master available. Do you want to change the location of domain naming master? You just need to click here, but unfortunately same name, same computer name is available in our source and destination. So what you need to do, just right click on same Active Directory panel and change domain controller. Yes, you need to change it. Change Active Directory domain controller, select second, ATC, and now please proceed with the same option. Operation master, change, and yes. Okay. Cool. Back to the ADC and execute one command, netdem query space FSMO role. It will give you the information and location of our current role. Netdem query FSMO. It will give you the information about the roles that are available in root domain controller and how many roles are available on additional domain controller. So we successfully transferred to ADC1, infrastructure available in ADC1, and PDC emulator is also available in ADC1, but the remaining roles are still available on root domain controller. So you know about the location and path. Maybe it will take time to transfer. And the last role that we need to transfer, which is really important, is schema master. So for the schema master, actually by default it is disabled. You have to activate it manually. Type MMC and hit enter. It will redirect you on the management console. Go to the add remove snap in, and in this particular panel, will get the information about the schema master, but unfortunately currently we haven't activated it. That's why we are not able to find the option of schema master on this page. So before open MMC, you need to execute a command. The command name is regsvr32 space schmgmt.tll. Okay, this is the command that you need to execute to activate or register your DLL file, register your schema file with what we can say that with MMC, Microsoft Management Console. regsvr32 space schmgmt.tll. You just need to click OK. Again, I'm going to open MMC page. Go to the add remove snap in, and you will find second option is schema, Active Directory schema. Add it, click OK, and now you just need to right click here, go to the operation master, and now the current schema master online. Do you want to transfer on another? So these all are the steps required to transfer our FSMO roles from one machine to another machine. I hope you guys are okay with the steps that we used. Feel free to reach out to me if you feel like any doubt or questions related to the any topic that we covered in our how to become system administrator playlist. That's it for today, guys. Let's connect tomorrow and discuss more about how to become system administrator content. Do subscribe here on Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel. Take care.